Hi there. We have got the prospect of another big storm coming in this week with high winds and pelting rain. So I'm going to look after my roses a little bit because they can be really rocked by strong winds at this time of year. And they put on a huge amount of growth during the summer. And so I'm going to reduce a shrub rose like this Champagne Moment by about 1/3 to 1/2. I'm going to cut off all of these long stems like that, and that's even got a dead rose on it, just to really tidy up all of these longer shoots on it. And then it will be less vulnerable to being rocked about by wild weather. So that'll be, I'll be doing the same to all my shrub roses. Over here, I've got a climbing rose, Isaac Perrin. You can see the amount of growth that's put on this year. And I shall be doing something similar to this, but for a climbing rose, I'll be taking off the side shoots, like that one, all of these longer side shoots, and leaving the framework. You'll notice also that I've got a bit of black spot on this. I shall make sure that I don't put those leaves into the into any kind of compost or save them, and I shall pick up any leaves that have been affected by black spot that have dropped onto the ground as well, because I don't want that overwintering. But I should be just taking off all of these side shoots like that and keeping the main framework of this climbing rose.